How does forensic science impact fair trial outcomes? Imagine a courtroom where a tiny piece of evidence could change everything. Forensic science is often the key to unlocking the truth in criminal cases. It provides scientific proof that can connect a suspect to a crime or prove innocence. Jurors tend to trust forensic evidence because it looks objective and reliable. But how much does it really influence the outcome of a fair trial? That's what we're here to find out. Forensic science involves collecting and analyzing physical evidence from crime scenes. This can include fingerprints, DNA samples, blood spatter, voice recordings, and more. When experts present this evidence properly, it can make a big difference. It can support the prosecution's case or help the defense challenge the evidence. For example, DNA testing can identify or exclude suspects with high accuracy. Fingerprint analysis is also highly trusted and often decisive in court. Jurors usually give a lot of weight to forensic evidence. They see it as factual and scientific, which can sway their decisions. Studies show that jurors tend to trust fingerprint and DNA evidence more than other types. This trust can lead to convictions or acquittals based mainly on forensic findings. But there is a catch. Media portrayals and television shows sometimes create what is called the CSI effect. This can make jurors expect perfect forensic proof and overestimate its reliability. It is important to remember that forensic science is not infallible. Errors can happen during evidence collection, analysis, or interpretation. Sometimes, evidence can be contaminated or misread. Experts must communicate their findings carefully, explaining the probabilities and uncertainties involved. They should evaluate evidence under different hypotheses, such as whether the suspect was involved or not. This balanced approach helps protect the rights of the accused and ensures a fair trial. Knowing your rights means understanding that forensic evidence is just one part of the case. It can be challenged or questioned if there are doubts about its accuracy. Defense attorneys should have access to qualified forensic experts who can review and contest evidence if needed. It's also vital that forensic reports clearly state the limitations and the level of certainty of their findings. When forensic science is used properly, it can help deliver justice. But if it's flawed or overstated, it can lead to wrongful convictions or let guilty parties go free. That's why transparency and accuracy are so important. Forensic evidence can be powerful, but it must be handled with care and honesty. Knowing your rights means understanding both the strengths and weaknesses of forensic science in the courtroom. This knowledge helps ensure that justice is truly served for everyone involved.